A month after he closed, he got a call from his job. They had to immediately transfer him across the country. Okay. Now, he packs up his family, leaves the house, got a tenant to occupy the property. He goes and gets utilities in a rental house across the country. We're talking coast to coast, across the country. Right? So like from California to New York, right? The mortgage company finds out that uh, utilities are no longer in his name in the house that they departed, right? They call the borrower and say, hey, we notice utilities aren't in your name. They're in some guy named John Smith's name. I'm making up a fictitious person, right? And he was like, yeah, I had to move across the country because my job transferred me all of a sudden. I had no idea what was going on. The company called BS, or the mortgage company called BS, and initiated foreclosure proceedings on him.